especially in classics. It's a 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Original paint code 43, golf green, green vinyl top, green cloth interior. So looking very much the way it would have back in 1972 in a classic 70s look. 502 now underneath the hood though, paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. We're going to check out that engine bay at the end of the video, let you hear it run. But first, take a look at that chrome. The grille, headlight surrounds, all in good shape up front, as well as this paint. It shows very nice. Another thing to remember is this vehicle is going to come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase that may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email 507-386-1726 and check out all the still pictures of this car online at uniqueclassiccars.com. As we take a look down the passenger side, you can see how nice and straight those panels are, and there's some long ones too. If they had poor workmanship, any sort of fly-by-night restoration work done on it, it is going to show up on those. This car looking very straight and clean. Take a look at this vinyl top. Interior appears to be original in it yet. We're going to get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. A52 on the data tag would be a bench seat car. That's the way you see it now. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Also in great shape, as well as the paint on the trunk lid. You'll be able to see the trunk pictures with that trunk open. And once again, the underside interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Car's riding on the rally wheels, beauty rings, center caps, classic look on this Monte Carlo. Let's take a look down the driver's side. And again, you can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Great car to take to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. And remember, we have an open door policy. If you can't make it to look at this one yourself, you want to have a third-party inspector look at it, have them come check this beauty out. Door panels look good, as well as the carpeting. You'll be able to see pictures of the carpeting without the floor mats in, and the still pictures. Again, this looks like it could be the original cloth and vinyl interior. There is a little bit of staining on the seats, nothing terrible. And they kind of wash out when I get up close to them. I don't know if I can get you a good shot of the true color. About right there is the true color of that interior. When I get up on top of it, it wants to wash it out, kind of like it will on burgundies and browns. So take a look at the still pictures. I tried to get you the true color of the interior in the still pictures. Has this retro sound style radio in it. I can get it to power up. I have not gotten sound out of it, just so you know. Getting 502 underneath the hood. Aftermarket tack on the steering column. That's basically just a hose clamp. If you wanted to take that off, it would come off. Little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. Looking at what we have, oil pressure and temp. Looks like underneath there. Then there is also electronic cutouts on this, and there's a switch right underneath here, left of the steering column. And I'll open them up for you so you can hear them a second here. By pushing the that's where the cutout's open. Pushing the switch forward, flip the switch back. They'll close back up. Hopefully you hear that all right. And we're back closed on those cutouts now, so just a nice exhaust note coming out of that 502. Will come with a full-size spare over there on the rally wheel. That will be in the trunk. Let's come up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Look at that. Kind of a custom hood liner, if you will. Monte Carlo. There it is. 502 V8. Look at this. Fan shroud. Still intact. How many times do you see that on these? Seems like those are always missing. Power steering, power brakes. It's like cooker headers. Does have Flowmaster exhaust. HEI ignition. Mallory. I believe it is. Yep. Good looking engine bay, and look at that 502 sitting on there, or sitting in there I should say. Holley 4-barrel. This one looks as good in person as it does the pictures and videos, folks. 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase of this vehicle. May be extendable. Check with your sales associate. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. This is really nice condition. It says 94,000 on the odometer, but it feels much newer than that. Everything is firm. Steering's tight. Acceleration is very good. Large tack on the column works well. Speedometer is working. We have lights for the factory gauges under the dash. There's an oil pressure gauge. At 55 miles an hour, we get 50 psi, and it's 190 degrees on the water gauge. Smooth ride, not getting any shakes or any shimmies. Once I get straight here, I'll see how she holds. But yeah, great alignment. Goes perfectly straight down the lane. Brakes work great. It brakes nice and straight. Go around the corner here and accelerate one more time. Corners, as you would expect, pretty good. Great condition paint. Yep, you don't have to push the pedal very long to get up to speed. Very powerful Monte Carlo 1972. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.